Good morning everyone. We will start the remaining part of previous video. Okay? So write in your notebook question 7th. What are nutrients? What are nutrients? Name their types. So answer is, what are nutrients? What do you mean by nutrients? Essential substance that required to our body for growth or for health. So nutrient essential substance that required to body required by our body required to body for health. And types of nutrients. First is carbohydrate. Second one is protein. Third is fats. Fourth one is vitamin and minerals. Vitamin and minerals. Fifth one is water and roughage. So take one screenshot and write in your notebook, okay? Next question is, write the role of following in our body. So first is carbohydrates. Protein. Second one is protein. Third is fats. Fourth is vitamin and minerals. And fifth one is water. And sixth is roughage. So answer is First is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate. What do you mean by carbohydrate? Carbohydrate provide energy to our body. Okay, so it provide energy so it is called energy giving nutrients. And second one is protein. What do you mean by protein? Protein build our body and muscles. Okay, so it build our body. It build our body and help it grow. So it is also known as body building nutrients. This time for taking one screenshot. So take one screenshot. Third is fat. It provide more nutrients, more energy than carbohydrates. Fats provide more energy than carbohydrates. Okay, and fourth one is vitamin and minerals. Vitamin and minerals. They keep us healthy and protect us from various diseases. So it is called protective nutrients. So it is called protective nutrients. Vitamin and minerals are, they keep us healthy and protect us from disease. So it is called protective nutrients. And fifth one is water. It maintains our body temperature. And sixth one and last is roughage. Roughage help remove waste material. It help remove waste material from the body. It help remove waste material from the body. फैट्स इट प्रोवाइड मोर एनर्जी देन कार्बोहाइड्रेट. ये कार्बोहाइड्रेट से भी ज़्यादा एनर्जी देता है. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज एनर्जी गिविंग. एंड विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स दे कीप अस हेल्दी एंड प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम डिसीज. ये हमारी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है और ये प्रोटेक्ट करता है हमको वेरियस डिसीज से. सो दे आर कॉल्ड protective nutrients. And water it maintain our body temperature. ये हमारी body temperature को maintain करके रखता है. And roughage is a fibrous food item. So roughage is not digested by our body, but it help remove waste material from the body. So take one screenshot again. Next question 9. Give two example of disease caused by microbes. माइक्रोब से होने वाली 2 डिसीज को. सो आंसर इज 2 डिसीज caused by microbes are malaria and typhoid. So answer is malaria and typhoid. मलेरिया एंड टाइफाइड काज बाय माइक्रोब्स. छोटे छोटे माइक्रोब्स से ही होती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट अदर क्वेश्चन. सो राइट इन नेक्स्ट पेज. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिव रीजन. Question 1. We should eat fats in very small amount. Why? We should eat fat in very small amount. So give reason Answer is excess fat in our body it might cause many health problems so we should consume fat in small amount. Answer is excess, EXCESS. Excess fat in our body, it might cause many health problems, so we should consume fats in very small amount. Take one screenshot again. Second, give the reason is food should not be overcooked. खाने को हमें बार बार पकाना क्यों नहीं चाहिए? So answer is overcooking the food destroy the nutrients so food should not be overcooked. Answer is overcooking the food destroy the nutrients, so food should not be overcooked. बार बार कुक करने से, बार बार खाने को पकाने से उसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो है वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं, इसलिए बार बार उसको नहीं कुक करना चाहिए. Third one is why we have balanced diet? So answer is बैलेंस डाइट क्यों लेनी चाहिए? सो बैलेंस डाइट इज अ डाइट दैट कंटेन ऑल न्यूट्रिएंट इन प्रॉपर अमाउंट फॉर आवर हेल्थ. सो बैलेंस डाइट, so we should have a balanced diet. So answer is we should have a balanced diet. Have balanced diet because in balanced diet all nutrients are present in right amount for health. So take one screenshot again. Next question is, draw food pyramid. What do you mean by food pyramid? All nutrients arranged in a pyramid based on nutrients. Carbohydrates, vitamin and mineral, protein and fat. This is food pyramid. Okay, so take one screenshot again. Thank you.